This is a knife that'll probably get used the most in your kitchen. A large cook's knife. One like this, about 19 centimeters in size, covers lots of cutting jobs. The upward curved tip allows for a rocking motion, which is great for finely chopping fresh herbs, and its large, heavy size makes it perfect for bigger ingredients, like chopping up a pumpkin. But I'm going to show you how to use it to slice ham. This is really handy if you don't have a specific carving knife and fork set. Holding the hock steady, slice on a slight angle, down to the bone, making your slices as thick or as thin as possible. Then just continue slicing towards the hock. If the slices don't come away as you cut, you can run your knife horizontally along the bone to remove them. For more tips on knife skills, click on the videos below.